Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description. And leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. This giveaway ends next week, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And be sure to DM me proof that you did everything over on Instagram. Danny Moore 2369. These are one of the most hyped sneakers that are going to release all year long. Every year, we get a new pair of Air Jordan 11s. This year, we have the Cherry Jordan 11. The Concord 11, but with red instead of black. Let's take a look at these. Let's unbox them. I got them from the Nike Sneakers app. They dropped them, and I got them, baby. I'm happy as hell. I got them on that shock drop, and here they are. The Air Jordan 11 Cherry. And I must say, these are bright. These are loud, they're in your face, they're bright red. It's crazy. Now, let's take a look at the Cherry Red Air Jordan 11 against the Concord, and I can show you guys how close they really are. Just wherever you have black on the Concord, you have red on the Cherry 11. I like the switch up, I think it's clean. You do have the white mesh, the white leather around the ankle, the red Jumpman, red on the back heel, of course your nice 23, the beautiful high cut patent leather. So we are getting how it's been recently with the Jordan 11s. They were from the low cut, they're back up to the high cut like they hear on the Concords. All the recent Jordan 11s are getting that high cut and patent leather, which I really do like. And you do have the red sock liner, which is very nice. I know some people are complaining about the red sock liner for some reason. What color were you expecting it? Were you expecting it white, black? I'm not sure why. They did the same thing. Concord black. It's just the Concord red. It's really that simple. There's nothing not to like about these. I don't think there's anything not to like. I will say this. No one asked for them. That's my problem with this sneaker. Sole Premise sneaker bags are designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. As you guys can see, I have 5 to 6 pairs of shoes in here. There's also room on the bottom of the bag as well for another pair. Also room for my clothes, my laptops, my chargers, and a bunch more. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Check out solepremise.com and use my promo code Danny Moore for 50% off your order. Today's your last day, the day of this upload, so make sure you guys take advantage of the Black Friday sale. And if you're watching this video later on, hey, you still get 40% off these bags. It takes off a bunch of money. Click my link, use my code at checkout. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Well, yes, they are a very nice, beautiful pair of Jordan 11s. I'm a huge fan. Red is my favorite color. I think these are better than the Winlike 96, the all red Jordan 11. I think this is better. The switch up with the white, I think it's just a better look. I also think that this could have been an OG colorway, right? It's not far-fetched to say that the Cherry 11s could have been, should have been an OG colorway. They're not an OG colorway. The Concords are an OG colorway. Cherry 11s, of course, are not. This is a new rendition of the Jordan 11. We do have the Cherry Low 11s, which I think is a great pair of Jordan 11s as well. Those released back in like 2000, 2001. So they retroed them again, I believe, a handful of years ago. So it made sense. That's a great pair of Jordan 11s as well in a low top form. The truth is, and my issue, my problem, and I'm sure some of you may agree with these, is that no one truly asked for these. I think we should have gotten, could have gotten, and should have 100% got the Air Jordan 11 Columbia. The Legend Blues, whatever you want to call them. We should have got them back with that beautiful patent leather. The high cut patent leather. It's the only Jordan 11 they haven't done. And if you guys notice, back in the day, they took forever to drop them again. Remember, we got the Gammas. We got Jordan 11s in between actually getting what we wanted. And that's what looks like what they're doing again. So with that being said, I am hoping, anticipating, praying at this point, as a sneakerhead, as a Jordan 11 collector, as a Jordan 11 lover, that we do get the Jordan 11 Columbia next year. I think we're going to get it. I think we're on pace to get it. This is the breakup in between like they did back in 2013 when they dropped the Gammas. So I think it does make sense that, hey, we will get the Columbia Legend Blue Jordan 11 next year. That's what I'm hoping for. So if they don't give it to us, that's going to suck. This is a great pair of Jordan 11s, but like I said, The truth is no one asked for them, if you ask me. We didn't ask for these, Jordan Brand. It's a great, clean pair. And like I said, it's something that could have been an OG. I understand why you did it. I was definitely anticipating this colorway one day in the future. You know, I figured, hey, they're going to bring the lows to a highs. It's only a matter of time. Jordan Brand, Nike, they're known for doing that, right? But the truth is, I didn't ask for these, personally. I'm sure other sneakerheads did not. I'm sure some people might be passing on these. You know, I know that sounds crazy, passing on the Jordan 11 on the holidays. Some people do. Some people don't care about their 11s that much. If you're a Jordan 11 lover, let me know down below in the comments. I love my 11s. I'm just picky about my 11s. For me, I go OG when it comes to my Jordan 11s. I don't really have, I don't have any new colorway of Jordan 11 if it's not an OG in my collection. I don't. Everything I have, Concords, Breads, Cool Grays. I had Space Jams. I recently sold them. I got to get them back. But yeah, everything I have is OG. I'm looking at my collection. Everything I have is OG when it comes to the Jordan 11. Will I be keeping the cherries? Probably not, to be honest with you. Probably not. I think it's clean. I think it's wearable. Red is my favorite color, but I might keep them if I get a worn pair for like a steal. But I'm not going to keep a brand new pair. It's not something I see myself unDSing, wearing all the time. To be honest, I don't wear my Jordan 11s all the time to begin with. I do wear them, don't get me wrong. I definitely wear them, but I don't wear them all the time. My Breads are my go-tos more than any other Jordan 11, but I definitely love my Concords. I got married recently, my Concords, which was amazing. So yeah, I love my Concords, this pair right here. The Cherry 11, you can't go wrong. It's a clean colorway. They will sell out. They will have some hype. It is the Jordan 11 every year. It always has demand. It always has hype for it, of course. Resell is not going to be too high. Retail is high at $225. Resell is not going to be too high on these. I'm expecting prices to be, right now they're at like $300, so drop a little bit when they come out. Probably stay at around $300 for the holidays and then drop later on. I'm not seeing too much demand for these later on. Right now during the holidays, quick flip them and move on to the next release. I think it's a great pair of Jordan 11s. Not a hold in my opinion. If you want to hold them, 11s usually tend to go up, but it takes time. It takes time. So I don't think these are really a hold. It is a clean pair of Jordan 11s though. Wearable. If you do wear them, please make sure you guys put on your Drip Grip sole protectors. Drip Grip right now, if you guys are watching this video day of upload, is actually 30% off. So make sure you guys put on Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. Link down below. Use my code Danny30 for 30% off. Protect this icy outsole. When you wear Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of your Jordan 11s, it's going to keep this bottom fresh, keep it clean. You peel off the sole protector. Later on, after a bunch of wears, put on a new one, and your icy outsole will remain icy, not get yellow and all dirty. So make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. If you're watching this video later on, you can still use my code Danny10 for 10% off as well. Everything you guys need is down below in the description for Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Now, these Jordan 11s are clean. I love them. I think they're very, very fire. The only problem is I don't wear my Jordan 11s too much, and for me, like I said, I go OG or really nothing when it comes to my Jordan 11s. I'm like that on certain models. To me, it's just OG or nothing on certain models. That's just the way I roll. So, yeah, when it comes to my 11s, these are clean. I think they're a very nice shoe and very wearable. They're going to look good on feet and be a really good cop for the holidays. So make sure you guys cop when they do drop. December 10th, retail $225 on the men's pairs, $185 on the grade school, which is crazy because I remember paying $185 for my men's pair, or $180, $175 for the Space Jams in 2009. What is going on with these prices? It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, Jordan 11 Cherry, don't sleep. They're clean. Like I said, I just didn't ask for them. I don't think we asked for these Jordan Brand. Give us the Legend Blues. Give us the, the Columbias, what we actually want. And then you could toss and switch things up. So after we get the Columbia 11s, I think we're going to get those next year. That's what I'm hoping for. After that, I'm not sure what they're going to do. Maybe give us an anniversary of some sort, or I don't know. They keep the Jordan 11 in the vault for majority of the year. They really do. They'll toss out the lows here and there, maybe one or two pairs for the holidays. That's it. They don't do a collab on it. They don't really give it to anybody. So The Jordan 11 is definitely sacred when it comes to Jordan Brand, and rightfully so. So don't sleep on the cherries. It's a clean pair of Jordan 11s. They're fire. Straight fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 60,000 subscribers. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.